Let's go. Afro Nation, listen, talk about my life.
Well, Women in the Wild 2024 Post-Trauma and Healing Retreat will be coming up in April of next year. I look forward to everyone that's going to come out and enjoy these beautiful tribal lands that we're currently viewing here at Cabo's Landing. It's an awesome space, very spiritual, has a lot of history at its core. And I'm just grateful that the Rex Cabo family was willing to open up this space so that the community and people like myself and you can be able to come here and take part in what we're going to do. So come out, be a part of it, expose yourself, be vulnerable, and allow yourself to heal and grow, because that's what this retreat is about. We're going to do it together in a sisterhood. We're going to do it together with support and love, because that's what we're about. So Healing by K is here for you. Coach K is here for you. All my speakers and other facilitators are going to be here for you at the Women in the Wild 2024 Post-Trauma and Healing Retreat.
Yeah, this is my life, working to get it right, know how to put up a fight, know that it's freedom of flight, and I'm in the light. Charlotte, we got the mic, Charlotte, we got the sights, pulling up deep in the night, and work hard for the money, haters never disappoint me, try to sneak up on me, gonna see the reaper coming, so we keep that thing, pulling it out when it rains, breaking our hearts to the game, dropping these marks we playing.
Talk about my life, my struggle, this here my hustle, I learned how to fight. No muscle, had the 1-2 shuffle, I played my part in this piece of the puzzle. I ain't win every scuffle, my heart was dark, but I follow that light at the end of the tunnel. My life, my struggle, this here my hustle, I learned how to fight. No muscle, had the 1-2 shuffle, I played my part in this piece of the puzzle. I ain't win every scuffle, my heart was dark,